Once you've downloaded Flexxbotics and have Docker ready, then you can go through the install process, which should only take a few minutes. We suggest you start by reading through and following the step-by-step instructions in the Quick Start Installation Guide PDF provided. When you get to the Generate Your Free Flexxbotics License step, you'll fill in your name and other details. Select your country and enter your contact information, including your email. The email you provide is where the license key will be sent. Then you'll create your login. Make sure to use a strong password. This is the password you'll use to log into the software once the installation is complete. Next, you'll want to review and accept the license agreement. Make sure to tick the checkbox and the button will become active. Then, click the Submit button to generate your Flexxbotics license. After submitting the form, you will receive an email with your license key. Copy the key from the email, paste it into the activation screen, and click Submit to activate the software. If you do not immediately see an email with the subject, Your Flexxbotics License Key, check your spam folder for an email from no-reply@flexxbotics.com. Now you're logged into Flexxbotics and can begin using the software to set up automation cells, connect machines, and run production operations. For additional guidance, visit our YouTube channel and flexxbotics.com.